Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need accounts on trustworthy watch ad platforms and a verified payout method. Create them now and confirm your email. Once done, install the official apps or use the site in a supported browser and sign in. Make sure to allow notifications and disable aggressive battery optimizers for background play. While you set this up, note each platform's payout threshold and ad formats. That shapes how quickly you earn. Start with one platform to learn its rules before adding more. You should queue reward videos and focus on higher paying formats. Check estimated earnings per view so you spend time wisely. Once a video ends, watch for the confirmation screen or reward button and claim immediately. Missing the claim often voids the payout. Make sure to space sessions across devices and accounts within platform limits to reduce detection risk. While automating is tempting, manually confirm rewards each cycle to protect earnings and keep accounts in good standing. You cash out once you hit the minimum payout. Double-check your payment address or PayPal before requesting withdrawal. If a reward fails to register, take screenshots showing timestamps, video ID, and transaction attempts, then contact support promptly with that evidence. If support stalls, escalate within the platform or switch to another service. Don't keep repeating failed cycles. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache and re-login if rewards stop. This often restores proper tracking and prevents loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.